Hi, I'm Valdette Gray, a collection attorney at Van Velden Duffy Attorneys, and I explain collections to you so you can easily understand it. What happens if you are blacklisted and how do you get rid of it? So, in South Africa, blacklisted means one of two things. Either a default listing against your name, which means the creditor haven't taken legal action against you yet, but they've listed you as a default payer with the credit bureau. In those circumstances, you can obtain the details of the creditor and contact them to find out what is going on. You must then either pay the debt or there's an internal process with each credit bureau that you can follow to make sure that your name is removed. The other way or the other inscription in our country is a actual judgment against your name. That is where a creditor has taken legal action against you and they've listed the judgment against your name. Now, normally that remains there for about 5 years, and after that, it's still enforceable. It just won't show on your credit record. In those circumstances, you can also firstly start by contacting the creditor and obtaining the details of why this judgment is given against your name or reflecting against your name. You will then contact either an attorney to assist you to have it removed or make payment of the debt and get a paid up letter and have it removed then. Be sure to still make sure that you approach your attorney to rescind the judgment so that they cannot enforce it at a later stage.